Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable order notifications on Shopify. So first, you may want to head over to your Shopify admin page at admin.shopify.com, and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, click on settings and click on notifications. So you have a few options here on which notifications would you like to enable. If you want to notify customers about order and account events, notify staffs, or notify your fulfillment service provider. So in my case, for example, I want to enable staff notifications. And from here, just click on staff notifications. Then in the recipients section, just click on add recipient and enter in the email address in which you want the notification will be sent. And of course, receive notifications for all orders, or you can also choose if you only want online orders or shop location. Then once done, just proceed by clicking on add recipient. The email address that you entered will then receive order notifications. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!